10 beginner-friendly online jobs you can start today. If you want simple online jobs you can start today with zero experience, this list will save you hours of searching and help you avoid a lot of fake or overcomplicated advice online. A lot of people think making money online means you need advanced skills, a big following, or months of learning, but that's not true. There are actually many beginner-friendly online jobs that just require a laptop, internet access, and a bit of consistency. So in this video, I'll walk you through 10 online jobs beginners can realistically start today. For each one, I'll explain what it is, how much it pays, what you need to get started, where to find the work, and whether it's actually worth your time. Let's start with the easiest ones. The first option is online microtasks. These are very small tasks like tagging images, sorting data, or answering simple questions. Companies use this kind of work to train algorithms or organize large amounts of information. In terms of pay, this is usually on the lower end. Most people earn anywhere from $5 to $15 per hour depending on speed and availability. You don't need any experience at all, just basic computer skills and an internet connection. To get started, platforms like Clickworker and Amazon Mechanical Turk are the most common places beginners use. Is it worth it for full-time income? No, but for extra pocket money or your very first online earnings, it's a decent place to start. The second job is website testing. This is where companies pay you to test websites or apps and give feedback on how easy they are to use. You might be asked to click around a site, complete a task, and speak your thoughts out loud. Most tests pay between $4 and $10 and usually take around 10 to 20 minutes to complete. The requirements are very simple. You need a computer, a microphone, and the ability to follow instructions. You can find this work on platforms like User Testing and Userlytics. Is it worth it? Yes, especially for beginners. It's simple, flexible, and doesn't require any technical skills. The only downside is that tests aren't always available. Next is data entry. This is one of the most classic online jobs. It involves entering information into spreadsheets, databases, or systems. Sometimes it's copying data, sometimes it's organizing files. The pay usually ranges from $12 to $20 per hour depending on the company and the task. All you really need is basic typing skills, attention to detail, and a reliable internet connection. You can find data entry jobs on sites like Upwork, Indeed, and other job boards. Is it worth it? As a beginner job, yes? It's not exciting, but it's one of the easiest ways to get paid online without learning a new skill. The fourth option is virtual assistant tasks. A virtual assistant helps businesses or individuals with simple tasks like scheduling appointments, answering emails, organizing files, or managing basic admin work. Pay typically ranges from $10 to $25 per hour. The requirements are very simple: basic computer skills, communication skills, and reliability. You can find beginner virtual assistant work on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Is it worth it? Definitely. This is one of the best beginner paths because it can grow into a long-term online career if you stick with it. Next is online chat support. This job involves helping customers through live chat instead of phone calls. You answer questions, solve basic issues, and follow scripts provided by the company. Pay usually falls between $13 and $22 per hour. You don't need experience, but you do need good typing skills and patience. Companies like Mod Squad and the Chat Shop regularly hire for chat-based support roles. Is it worth it? Yes, especially if you don't like talking on the phone. It's one of the more comfortable beginner remote jobs. The sixth option is social media posting. This doesn't mean being an influencer. It usually means scheduling posts, reposting content, or doing very basic social media management for small businesses. Pay ranges from $10 to $18 per hour at the beginner level. All you need is basic knowledge of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and a bit of consistency. You can find these jobs on Freelancer, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. Is it worth it? Yes. It's beginner-friendly and can lead to better-paying social media roles later on. Next is simple transcription. This involves listening to audio files and typing what you hear. The work is straightforward, but it does require focus. Pay is usually around $8 to $15 per hour depending on speed and accuracy. You need headphones, good listening skills, and decent typing speed. Platforms like Rev and Transcribe are popular for beginners. Is it worth it? It can be. It's flexible and simple, but it may feel repetitive for some people. The eighth option is online surveys. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online, but also one of the lowest paying. Most surveys pay between $2 and $10, and they usually take anywhere from a few minutes to half an hour. The only requirement is basic personal information and honesty. You can try platforms like Swagbucks and Prolific. Is it worth it? Only as a side option. It's not reliable income, but it can help you earn small amounts in your spare time. Next is selling digital notes or study guides. If you're good at organizing information or have notes from school or courses, you can turn them into digital products. Earnings can range from $1 per sale to $50 or more depending on demand. The requirement is simple, useful notes, and the ability to upload them online. Platforms like Sudoku and Studapool make this easy. Is it worth it? Yes, especially because it can become passive income once your notes are uploaded. The final option is selling simple graphic templates. This doesn't require advanced design skills. Many people create basic Canva templates like planners, resumes, or social media posts. The earning potential here is technically unlimited. You only need basic design sense and a free Canva account to get started. Etsy is one of the most popular platforms for selling digital templates. Is it worth it? Absolutely. It takes more effort upfront, but it has strong long-term potential. So those are 10 beginner-friendly online jobs you can realistically start today. None of these require special degrees or advanced skills, and most only need a laptop and internet connection. If your goal is fast and simple online income, start with one or two options and focus on consistency instead of trying everything at once. If you want more videos that break down online jobs, remote work, and beginner income ideas in a simple way, make sure to subscribe to Earnlane TV.